Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to track your spending in Rocket Money. So tracking your spending in this app helps you understand where your money goes and stay on top of your budget. So to do that, you will need us first to open the Rocket Money app and then just sign into your account. So from the overview spending section, review your total spending for the current month and then just tap on its transactions to see a detailed list of your purchases. So then just filter the transactions by category, account, date, or merchant to focus on specific spending. And then just tap any transaction to view its details or update its category if needed. Then guys, you will need to open the budget tab to compare your spending against your monthly budget by category. And at last, you will need to review your spending trends over time to identify areas where you may be overspending. So actually guys, first you'll need to connect all of your bank and credit card accounts so your transactions are imported automatically, and categorize or recategorize transactions to keep your spending reports accurate. Also guys, you will need to split the transactions that include purchases from multiple categories and add the manual transactions like the Rocket Money Premium to include, or you will need to have the Rocket Money Premium of course to include cash purchases or other expenses that aren't imported automatically. Why not check in your spending regularly to stay on track with your financial goals? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.